Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. Welcome to Oslo, Norway, and welcome to legitimately one of my dream cars, the Renault Twizy. We're here at our friends at MarcusBil, where they rent, sell, and lease wild and weird electric cars, including Taycan, Cross Turismo, and anything. If you live in Norway and you need an electric car, contact Marcus. These guys are awesome here. But today, I'm going to be able to drive, finally, after years of anticipation, and by complete surprise, I had no idea this was going to happen 5 minutes ago, the Renault Twizy. This is the Renault Twizy. I genuinely have no idea what year it is. I don't know anything, but I do know it's tuned. So it has the higher top speed. It has twice the torque from factory. This is how you charge it, just this little cable that comes out of here, little Schuko plug. It's got a washer fluid. This one has some aftermarket door card inserts here. Apparently the story was, for years, the gentleman who owned this car would commute in and out of Oslo every day, even in the winter, with his wife in the back of this. It is a two-seater, and Marcus got it. It wasn't working. He had to refurbish it, put all new brakes on it, change the 12-volt system, a whole bunch of things, and now it's up and running. To me, this is just the epitome of weird electric cars, and that's kind of everything I love. You guys know I love Model S, Model Y, ID3. I love these cars, but truly this is what excites me because it's so quirky, it's so interesting. It's small, micro mobility almost, but it's fun and it has a personality, and it's French, which means the buttons don't make sense, and your handbrake is this little thing down here, and it's like, what is going on? It's so weird. So what we're gonna do is get it out, gonna put some GoPros in there, and I'm gonna be able to drive a Twizy for the first time. Inside, this car is so cool. Look, everyone loves it. It's got hazards, drive, neutral, reverse. It's got a pedestrian warning sound. It's got a little horn. It's got lights, everything you could need. It's even got a heated windshield right here. Whoa! So you hit this, and then you can see the windshield heating elements going, and you can see the lines in the windshield. Wow, this is classy. But I love how the middle's not the horn. It's this little bit over here. It's everything I love about weird French cars. And everything I love about weird cars in general. I have no idea where this goes to. Probably the storage box in here. But we don't have much time. We have 35 kilometers of range at a half charge, I'm guessing is what it's predicting. We have a power meter. We need to get the GoPros lined up, and I can't wait to take this for a drive. Also, when you put your signal on, listen to that noise. And it doesn't even tell you which one's lit up. It's just both of them. Oh, I love it. And we are in the Twizy. Let me close the door. You just pull these little straps up here, and this is how you keep it closed tight. This is to stop, I think, the little panels from shaking off. The doors themselves go up. Steering wheel does not seem to be adjustable, but the seat does. Doesn't matter. I can reach everything. Into drive. And off we go then, in the Twizy. Let's put the pedestrian warning sound on. That's gonna get annoying real quick. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm driving one of these. Really can't believe it. This is incredible. It's better than I could have imagined. Let's floor it. Whoa, it's quick. I thought these were supposed to be really slow, but this one's chipped. Oh, the electric motor whine. We're driving around Oslo, so of course there's going to be a ton of electric cars. I love the blinker noise. The brakes are a little rusty. That's just because they haven't really been used. Oh, in the Twizy. We have to drive down a sidewalk. I know it's illegal, but I've always wanted to drive a Twizy down a sidewalk. It's not, okay, at like 40 kilometers an hour, it really dies. It just came up with stop. I don't think it liked that much full throttle. Is this a construction zone? Who knows if we're allowed down here, but we're in a Twizy, so we can go wherever we want. They say this will do almost 100 kilometers per hour, which is crazy. Chipped, of course. So 60 miles an hour, highway speed. I've heard stories of people like doing 115, 120 Ks in these two. Look at this. This is amazing. This is like a courtyard for an apartment complex. No one's allowed to drive here. We're doing it. We're in a Twizy. No one can get mad at us. Nothing to see here. Just driving a Twizy around your apartment complex lawn. This is everything I wanted to do. All right, now let's get out of here before they start getting mad. Oh, it's so nimble. We'll put on the pedestrian warning sound. Nothing to see here, folks. Coming through in the Twizy. Oh, look at this Sprinter. Nice with the rally lights. That thing is sick. Ripping it. Burning rubber. Holy smokes, I'm in love. Yeah, baby. Jumping it. Burning rubber. Regen is just off throttle. It's pretty strong. The brakes don't seem to do anything. It hasn't been used in a while. Should we take it on the highway? I don't know. Turn signal on. I hit a bump and the turn signal turned off. I think this thing has a lot of miles on it. I don't really know, but I'm told it's been driven a lot. Man, it motors. It really boogies. Look at this thing. Whoa. You probably can't even hear me. Handling. Pretty good, actually. Skoda Enyaq. Yeah, look at this thing. Zipping. Warming up the tires. F1 style. Good thing I'll be out of the country by the time this video goes live, because they would have me arrested. This is great. Even more great. We got to do the sidewalk thing. Sorry to everyone in Oslo. I'm driving down your sidewalks, making crazy U-turns, and back this way we go. XC40 recharge. They're laughing at us. Wow, I can't believe it. This is the best thing ever. The horn, I think, is inside the cabin. It's not on the outside. The horn's by my foot, I swear. Okay, I don't know how informative this review is going to be, because I don't know anything about the Twizy. I don't know the battery pack size. I know it's small. I don't know, it doesn't have fast charging. It's not a modern vehicle. They don't make them anymore. It is a two-seater. Normally you can get them without these panels in the doors. That's how I would do it. And I mean, I'm sure this camera's just shaking like crazy. It goes pretty good. It doesn't like to. It says stop every time I floor it. Yeah, Taycan, I-Pace, EVs everywhere here in Norway. And I'm just so enthused with this car. And there you have it. I drove down a sidewalk. We went into an apartment complex in a place we couldn't go. And we haven't been arrested. And that's the beauty of the Twizy. You can just drive around like an idiot. And it's makes people happy. It's a shared experience, especially in the US. Cute puppy. Especially in the US, this must just be the craziest thing to see driving around. We can't buy them in the US. This is why I'm so excited to drive this car. I really wish we could, and I totally would buy one. However, we have 25-year import law. Now, there were a few that were legally imported into the US for a ride-sharing situation in San Francisco. So if you know anyone who's ever selling a Twizy, please, in the US, please have them contact me. If you know a way I can import one, please contact me. Turning radius is good, but it's not as good as my smart car. One last wide open. It's amazing. The brakes are so garbage. I love everything about this. Thank you to MarcusBil again for making genuinely my automotive dream come true here driving this Twizy. I mean this, I'm not joking around when I say this is truly my dream car. I have weird automotive taste, and this is, to me, this is like what a Aventador SVJ would be like to some of my friends, but to me it's the Twizy. Thankfully, it's an attainable dream one day. Thanks for watching another Out of Spec Reviews video. Thank you for joining me on one of the most memorable drives of my life. We did a little bit of sidewalk action. That was great. And we'll end the video with the silly pedestrian warning on. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.